How to print Excel sheet in one page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, what you will have to do is make sure you are ready to print and you have updated every kind of file or every data in your Excel sheet. After that, go to File and then go to Import. Here you can import it, but if you want to print it, what you will have to do is simply press Ctrl plus P in your uh, keyboard, and then here you should find an option of set all data to one page, and after that you will be able to print it. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.